In this video, I'll show you how to import your bank statement into Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and go to Banking tabs. And now once you're here, you can select the bank account you want to import the statement from. Now, just add your bank account and then you can go ahead and click Import Statement. And now that you're here, you can click Upload Statement and choose the file from your computer. And Zoho Book supports formats like CSV, TSV, XLS, OFX, QIX, CMT, and so on and so forth. And that's it. And make sure your file matches the required format to avoid errors. And after uploading the file, you can review the imported transactions and categorize them as needed. And once you're done, you just save the changes to update your bank account records. And if this helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.